Hello everyone, and welcome back to this episode of super stressed out last minute packing with Sienna Santer. Basically, I leave for Seoul, South Korea tomorrow morning early, and I'm driving up to San Francisco with my dad. And I'm really stressed out. My room is a mess. I am a mess. I have been running around like a madwoman today and doing a lot of last minute errands. And I'm really not ready, but you know what? I'm always unprepared for these things. I bought my flight like 2 weeks ago, so yay, study abroad. I'm actually so excited. That's false. I'm so excited. And I just happen to be a very last minute person. I'm very organized, but I'm also very last minute, and I'm a procrastinator. So not a great combo. I'm stressed, but come be stressed with me and let's pack together. The first thing I'm doing, will you focus? No. Is trying on plain outfits because you gotta look cute and comfy for the plane. So, not sure if this is a winner because it's kind of see-through, but the joggers are super comfy. I don't know what to pack in Korea because it's supposed to be like really hot, but then it sometimes gets cool at night, and my friends are like, it's raining randomly, so bring jeans and like jackets too, as well as weather. That just fell. As well as weather that's like gonna get into like the, I don't know it in Celsius, but like 100 something. So super hot, super humid, but also have to be ready for cold weather. I don't want to bring a lot of stuff because I want to leave room in my suitcase for things that I'm gonna buy there. I know I'm gonna go crazy with the skincare, the beauty, street fashion, all of it. So I might get a drone while I'm there. I'm just kind of feeling risky. Like, I don't really know. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing. Help. My room is a war zone, if you don't know. Basically, what I have done, also the sun is being weird, I put all of the clothes that are semi-cute and that I'm thinking of taking on the bed there, but I really need to cut it down because that could last me like an entire semester. I got these two new suitcases. They're both from Away. They're a set. This is a carry-on and this is a medium-sized bag that I'm gonna check. And I'm super excited because I've never had my own luggage before. Or like I have, but like I bought these with my own money and like they're mine. And I'm like super excited, and I picked out the color and everything, and they're really great. I've already taken this one like on trips before, and it comes with like a little, like, where is it? It comes with like a little like rechargeable battery, portable charger, portable charger here. And then it has like a lock and stuff here, and it's just really nice. So I have to fit everything into those two, which I think I can do, but I also need to pack like empty space. That doesn't make sense. I need to leave empty space while I pack. Yeah, these, basically I just started by putting things here that are not clothes that I might want to take. Makeup. My toiletries are a whole other story. That's in the bathroom. Shoes, because I'm a shoe fiend. And there will definitely be a lot more than that. I have to go get my laundry. My carry-on. Like, I just bring a lot of unnecessary stuff. And I really don't want to overpack, but we will see. First things first is packing cubes are a lifesaver. So this is from eBags, I think, and there's two more that I still have to find. I literally have no idea where all my stuff is, but these saved my life when I was backpacking in Southeast Asia and I was just taking one single backpack. I fit 3 of them in here and fit all my clothes, and it saved so much space. It really works. Okay, found the other 2, so I have 3, and these are the medium-sized ones from eBags. Yeah, I'll link them down below. So I'm gonna go grab my laundry from downstairs, and then I will have all my clothes and shoes up here, and then I can begin sorting and thinking about what to actually pack in here. Yikes. Guys, I'm literally leaving tomorrow, and I left this until the last night. I kid you not. What am I doing? Okay, so updated. Got some more shoes. A fan, because it's gonna be really hot. These are all toiletries I want to take. Those are all toiletries I want to take. Like, I got all this super cute stuff from Bumble too that I want to take because I'm working for them this summer. And look, guys, they gave me a super cute disposable camera so I can take disposable pictures in Seoul. So, aw, I'm super excited about this. All right, let's tackle the clothes. only letting myself bring one nice dress because I don't think I'm really gonna need it. There's parts of Seoul where you get dressed up to go clubbing, kind of like Gangnam. If you're going clubbing there, it's heels and short dresses, so this will be good for that. But I think we'll mostly be going clubbing in Hongdae, which is like a lot more street style. So I think I'll only need one of these. You guys need to help me. I need to be very diligent. I need to severely underpack. These pants are a staple. I love them. That's a no. These pants too, the IMG ones. You know me, these are my babies. These are a staple. With a nice crop top. Ooh, I cannot wait to wear this. I'm so excited. This set, I know they say that don't bring outfits that you're only gonna wear like once or twice, but I'm allowing myself a few of those because not every day you study abroad. And it's not every day you study abroad in Korea, and you know what? I'm just gonna be extra about it. These pants are lifesavers and some of the comfiest things I've ever worn in my life. And I just love them. They're from Tilly's, if you wanted to know. Oh, these pants! Who remembers these from the BTS concert? Yes. I am in love with these pants. They are my babies. I can't wait to wear this set. I'm so excited. We're just being kind of out there, but hey, I'm studying fashion. It's okay. I can do this. In love with this set. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to wear this. It's from IMG. You guys know I'm obsessed with them. And look at this. So it's like a little crop top, and then the top is cut out here, and then it just pairs with this black skirt, which has like buckles. These with those black wedges that I got. Ooh, yes.
Okay, so I finished sorting everything into piles. And it's actually not that much. Like, for 7 weeks, this is a pretty good amount of clothes, I think. But it really doesn't seem like a lot. So, tops and crop tops and t-shirts, workout gear like shorts and sports bras, pants, dresses, underwear and bras, skirts, jacket, rain jacket, long sleeve, sets, and then shorts. So, and then the lone swimsuit. And those are the only 2 hats I'm bringing, I think. And then this belt, and then another one, which I don't know where it is. And then I think that I'm gonna wear on the plane. So now I'm gonna put all the clothes into the packing cubes and then figure out this situation here. Basically, as soon as I get to Seoul, we're staying in a hotel for 2 to 3 days. And that's when we're doing our orientation. So we're getting like accustomed to this city, learning about the rules of the program, like culture tips, that sort of thing. And then we're going on a 3-day overnight excursion, and we can only take a small bag, and our big bag is going to be kept at the hotel in a like locked room. So I think I'm going to go ahead and pack the carry-on like I'm going on the overnight excursion, if that makes sense. So that like I have the least amount of like rearranging to do as possible. So how am I going to do this? I normally pack by group just so that everything is together and I can find it easily, but I might have to pack by outfit because of the excursion. So like I'll be living out of that suitcase probably for like a week. This is so stressful. This is the toiletry situation. Yikes. I don't think I can fit all of this in there. Uh-oh. Oh, guys, these are lifesavers. These are actually Korean. I'm gonna get more in Seoul, but they're like pimple patches, and you like put it on your pimple, and then in the morning it's literally gone, and it's such a lifesaver. They come in different sizes. They're literally like $2 each. I love them so much. And then I also wanted to talk to you guys about this box, which is LOLA, and they are actually partnering with me on today's video, so thank you, Lola.
So basically, Lola is a feminine hygiene subscription service, which I think is super cool. It is female founded and female run, so it's like by women for women, and their feminine hygiene products are made with 100% organic cotton, so there's like no synthetics, no dyes, no fragrances, like none of that nasty stuff that'll give you toxic shock syndrome or anything like that. And I really like them because I've been trying to go, as you guys know, like more all natural in my everyday life. So like I eat really healthy, I care about what I put on my skin, like all of my skincare is very clean, and I always use like the major brand tampons, and I never really liked them. And they also, like, it was hard to find ones that didn't come with like fragrances, or like they always had a risk of like toxic shock. And like the really all natural cotton ones that I found in the drugstore were never really any good, and I could never find ones with applicators too. So these were a game changer for me because they actually do have applicators. So I also love that it's like in a super discreet box, so like no one knows that it's like tampons, you know? Like, you know when you have like the huge like bright pink like Playtex box in your bathroom, like everyone like knows their tampons? Like I don't really care because I live around women mostly, and like in college no one really cares, but I love this because it's like really aesthetically pleasing and like super discreet.
So this is what the box looks like. I'll show you a little bit. So here it just says, "This too shall pass, and until it does, we're here for you," which I think is super cute. And then you open it up, and I got a box with like all sorts of different absorbency levels. So you can customize your box, and you can choose like how many boxes you get, whether you get tampons and liners, like tampons and pads. I just got tampons because that's pretty much all I use. But then I got like some really light ones, some regular, some super, and then some like super basically. And they're super cute. They're just like blue ombre, so they like match my aesthetic really nicely. And they come in this cute box, and as you see, I've like used a bunch of them actually. I just used them on my last period. And they feel really nice too, guys. Like, I really like them.
And you guys know I've been trying to be a lot more like environmentally friendly, so it's great because they're like all BPA free plastic applicators. And then also, like, this is actually my favorite part, but every time that you buy a box, Lola will donate feminine hygiene products to homeless shelters and like women's shelters, so I think that's so cool. I really love supporting companies that are run by women, number one, made for women, doing good for the environment and doing good for people, and Lola's doing all of those, so genuinely really love this brand, will continue to use. It's super easy, super convenient. So for 40% off your subscription, go to mylola.com and enter the promo code Sienna, and you'll get 40% off when you subscribe. So make sure to do it because I really love this company, and go support them.
And I'm gonna pack a cute little box right inside my suitcase. Also, you guys know me, I had to pack my army bomb. I just had to. BTS is having their muster when I'm in Seoul, and I'm gonna try to go even though I didn't get tickets, or at least go to the viewing party, which is in like a park in Seoul, and they're live streaming it, and so you can bring your army bomb to that. So I mean, if I get the chance to see them like in Korea, I definitely want to have this. Priorities, guys.
Okay, well, let's put all this away. One, two, three. Packing keeps done. So these are dresses, these are crop tops, and these are skirts and shorts. Look at that. Boom.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so I'm officially done packing. Finally. That took forever. Thank you for staying with me. I'm gonna go to bed now because I need to get up in the morning pretty early to leave. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you know exactly when I upload. And I love you guys lots. I will see you in Seoul. Bye.